Hi guys. So part of my wondering for this week was how to stay healthy. And so I found this great website called choosemyplate.org. And not only do they have lots of information on how to eat healthy and what kind of foods you should be eating, but they do have recipes. So today, because I knew that we were kind of exploring with some measurement and how to measure things out, I wanted to include a recipe that I found that based on some stuff that I just had around the house. And it covers two food groups, which is awesome. And it's a great little snack for me and Parker. So I'll just show you on here. I found this peach cobbler. And what it does tell you is it tells you all the ingredients that you need, plus the directions. And bonus, it even tells you all the nutritional information and what food groups it covers, which you'll kind of see a little bit about tomorrow when you look at that video. So for this one, I needed milk, and I have almond milk. This is what I drink instead of regular milk, and I still get the calcium from it. You need peaches, canned peaches, and good thing because I've been craving peaches lately. And you do need nutmeg. Anyways, the nutmeg is optional, so I don't have any nutmeg, and that's fine. I think with peaches and this, I might even try a little bit of cinnamon and just try that out. But I have my measuring tools too. Look, only two needed. So I needed a cup and a half a teaspoon. So I could try doubling this recipe, but it's just me here right now because Mark's at work. So I'm going to just follow the recipe and see what happens. So I have a handy dandy blender. Mine can go into a cup so that it's ready to go instead of being in a blender and then pouring it into a cup and wasting that. So my first thing I need is 2 cups of milk. So I might not have enough, but don't worry, we have lactose-free milk too. So I'm going to pour in my milk. 1 cup. Now if I didn't go all the way to the top, would that count? Nope. So what I like to do is I kind of like to fill it almost all the way and then just add that little bit that I know I missed. So 2 cups of my milk. Then it says 1 cup of canned peaches that are drained, and or if you have fresh ones. Well, guess what? I asked Mark to go to the store and get some peaches because that's what baby Parker has been craving, and they didn't have any. So luckily we had some sliced peaches. So what I'm going to go do is go drain them really quick, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I drained my peaches, and I need 1 cup of peaches. So I'm going to pour it into the same measuring cup. But now I don't need 2, I just need 1. It's a little trickier with like food. But I'm going to say that's a good, I have a few more, so I'm just going to put in another one. And I'm going to pour in my peaches. Now it's a good thing that I just looked at my recipe and noticed that I was forgetting something that was involved. And it was lemon juice. I love lemons. I love using lemon juice. So this is where that half teaspoon comes into play. So I'm going to pour a little bit of that in there. And then I like mine icy cold and like a smoothie. So I got a cup of ice just to pour in so that it's nice and blended. And now I'm ready to go. My cup even has liquids on here. So this is 24 ounces. That's a lot for one person. I don't know if I'm going to be able to drink all this, but I think that was the point that they wanted you to make more. So because my blender is super loud, I'm going to do it without you guys hearing it, and then I'll show you the final results. Give me 1 sec. Okay, so if you can see, here's my peach cooler. It's not as thick as I would have loved it to be, but I followed the recipe, I did the measurements, and I even added the ice. So now, the taste test. Ooh, this is good. So make sure that if you are stuck at home right now, which we all are, that maybe you can help mom or dad cook and figure out what food groups you guys are covering. So right now I just covered fruit and dairy from this one little recipe with only 3 ingredients, which was pretty awesome. So maybe you guys can help out with that and using your measurements. These were my tools today. And I can't wait to see if you guys come up with anything. Enjoy, and we'll see you next time.